konti. This one's for the boys with the booming system, top down AC with the cooling system. When they come up in the club, you be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like a saving up. And the ill, you real, you might got a deal. You buck better than he got the right kind of bill. You cold, you dope, you might suck up. He always in the air, but he never blind cold. So you motherfucker drip, tell her on the TV. When you make a drip, kiss him on my lips. That's the kind of drip I was looking for. And yes, you get stabbed if you look at home. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my like fly like a fly. I mean, you're so tired, I'm loving your tired. Like, speaking in the club. Yes, I did. Somebody please come move that fire. And Nicki Minaj and Mac and Guzza. Back groups up the chat. Beating like a drum, falling
Buti sa balahibo lang, wala naman.
This one is for the boys with the Paula. Entrepreneur niggas in the maga. Nigga ball with the tourist and taller. And I think I like I'm better with the dollar. And I think I like I'm better with the cap. You never gotta shut up with the Mac. You just gotta give me that lick when he give me that lick. The pen is coming excuse me, you're a hell of a good. I really gotta stick in your ass. I can show that touch with the feminine side. Oh, yes, I think that's the feminine side with that side.
Bakit labas mo?
Gago na yan sa akin yung isang gabi. Kaya libog na libog siya. Talaga nakagatot sa ano kung ginagano niya ako.
Tingin.
Imbis na akong video, tapos pati yung videoan.
Yuck!
Gago ka.
Shit! Nilabas ang spot. Eh, spot.
Sabay galing.
Kaya nagot ka, inahabol ka.
Hala ka!
Lagot ka, Map. Gago sa kanilabasan.
Nilabasan. Yung sabi mo nilabasan.
Pati siya nilabasan mo.
Kaya nagkakabon ako kanina. Saan ka nilabasan?
Dito, patak lang na meron mo.
Sabihin ka.
Kaya sinilaan mo.
Gago, kala ko